Hi everyone, this is Marvin Chen. I work for Holtek as sales representative in charge of Korea sales region. In this video, I'm going to introduce our security and safety new products, including 10 MCUs, 4 modules, and 1 sensor product. First one is smoke alarm product. This series of products are dedicated to smoke detector application. Our products are able to support standalone type, wire type, RF wireless connection type, and the calendar type. Our second generation smoke detector MCU has been upgraded to fulfill the more demanding customers' demand and certificated by stricter government rule. Here is the comparison table between first and the second generation. The function we added are 2-channel smoke detector analog front end, 2-channel IR constant current driver, and the temperature sensor for temperature compensation. Let's take a look at our product lineup. This year, we have 3 new items for standalone application. 25240 is for regular standalone smoke detector. 25340 integrated 12-volt boost converter. It is able to drive piezoelectric arm without external component. 25440 integrated 12-volt to 3.3-volt LDO. It is able to powered by 9-volt battery without external LDO. 25543 integrated power line transceivers and 3.3-volt, 5-volt LDO. 25640 integrated sub-1 GHz RF transceiver. It is perfect for smart home and IoT smoke detector application. 25740 has calendar function, able to provide accurate timer. It can easily record the required event into EEPROM. 4 series of items have same 4K word ROM size, 256 byte RAM, 64 byte EEPROM, UART, I2C, SPI also included. All our products can be certificated by UL 60730 for your convenience in order to export your products to certain countries. Apart from our sophisticated MCU product lineup, Holtek develops smoke detector digital module BM22S2021-1. It has a temperature sensor, 2-channel IR driver for black and white smoke detecting. The most important feature is the digital output. This module has 5 pins, 2 for power, 2 for UART communication. The last one is status pin. The sensor module has 2 output modes. First one is level output mode. The second one is serial interface mode. It will output the current sensor status every 8 seconds using the UARTX pin. Let's know more about it. The standby current is less than 10 microamp. Detecting sensitivity 0.1 to 0.8 dB. The dimension 37 by 37 by 28 mm. Operation voltage 3 volt to 5 volt. We prepare a short video to have a better understanding this product line. Let's take a look.
The second generation of network smoke detector uses the BA45F25543 as the control MCU and works with a host through nonpolar 2-bus communication technology. The MCU includes a dual-channel smoke detection AFE to detect optical signal changes and determine the ambient smoke concentration. The internal sync current generator provides constant currents for IR signal transmitting. This supports dual transceiver systems and improves the detection sensitivity. The MCU also includes two LDOs to provide 3.3 volts and 5 volts outputs. The 5 volts output supports various LED types such as blue LED and IR LED. A 42 volts nonpolar input circuit is included for fire protection to bus power supply and communication. The smoke detector uses a maze chamber structure and IR transmitting and receiving tubes to detect smoke from fires. When the smoke concentration is greater than the alarm threshold, the detector will transmit an alarm signal to the host, which will identify the emergency location through address code. It is suitable for use in shopping malls, restaurants, warehouses, computer rooms and other civil and industrial places of fire warning systems. The above has provided the introduction of the Holtek BA45F25543 product.
Let's move to next product line, fire protection products. We upgrade our previous 5241 and 5541 to 3241 and 3543. In the traditional solution, all external components are separated. Our previous solution 5541 has already integrated LDO, OPA, comparator, communication circuit into the MCU. Our latest 3543 made big move, integrated non-polar input function into MCU. This page we are talking about the spec. We enlarged the EEPROM from 64 byte to 512 byte. We add IAP for user easy to upgrade the firmware. Timer increased to 6 pieces. All of them integrated UR port. We can provide the UL60730 self-test program. 4-channel 12-bit ADC also integrated. Let's take a close look for the feature. Non-polar input. Bus voltage follower. It can provide 64 level adjustment. Auto load can reduce waveform distortion. The example applications are menu call point, emergency lighting, and the emergency sounder. Next is the PIR, microwave products. We have MCU, module, sensor, 3 kinds of products for the product lineup. Let's take a look at the MCU first. In traditional solution, MCU, LDO, OPA, temperature sensor are separated. Holtek previous solution integrated LDO and OPA into 6622 and 6630. Holtek latest solution 6640 fully integrated temperature sensor. It means you can save cost for the external component and the PCB size. Let's take a close look at the spec. It is integrated PIR microwave analog front end. Auto conversion function can reduce the MCU loading and reduce the power consumption. Temperature sensor for compensation to eliminate the unexpected working. 4K word ROM size, 384 byte RAM size, 64 byte EEPROM. LDO function provide power to external devices. The output range can be 2.2 volt to 3.6 volt. The application is huge, widely used in automation-related products. Second product is PIR module BM22S4221-1. It has 4-element sensor. Compared to conventional 2-element sensor, it provides wider detection angle and a longer detection distance. Adjustable detection distance from 9 meters to 13 meters. Integrated digital noise filter. The dimension is 26 by 26 by 26 millimeter. Let's take a look at the detail. The Fresnel lens helps focus the PIR sensor's field of view. Longest distance is 13 meters. Detecting angle 106 degrees vertical, 120 degrees horizon. Operation voltage 2.7 volt to 5 volt. Less than 10 microamp power consumption. UART and the status interface allow you to set the sensitivity, trigger time, and many other parameters so that you can tailor fit to your application. Third item is PIR sensor. Our sensor features digital noise filter, temperature sensor, TO5 package integrated AFE MCU. Optical window is 5 by 4 millimeter. PIR sensors allow you to sense motion, used to detect whether a human has moved in or out of the detection range. They are small, inexpensive, easy to use. Our PIR sensor responsivity and noise performance for your reference. UART baud rate 35,400 bps. Operating voltage 2.7 volt to 5.5 volt. We have 4 types of sensor deliver 4 kinds of detecting angle and distance. 4021-1 support 3 meter detecting distance, 121 and 77 degrees detecting angle. 4022-1 support 4 meter detecting distance, 86 and 75 degrees detecting angle. These two are designed for ceiling mount usage. 4023-1 support 4 meter detecting distance, 91 and 10 degrees detecting angle. 4024-1 support 10 meter detecting distance, 10 and 20 degrees detecting angle. The last two are designed for wall mount usage. We believe this product range can cover all kinds of applications. The application: white good, environmental detecting products, motion detect IoT device, and more for energy saving purpose, lighting, fan, air conditioner, to increase energy efficiency and reduce carbon footprint. Let's take a look at the PIR digital sensor demo video.
This is a PIR detection digital sensor supplied in a TO5 package, which contains a PIR sensor and a signal adjustment chip. Compared with analog sensors, this digital sensor greatly reduces external components, includes filtering and temperature compensation algorithms, and has been factory calibrated, improving the anti-interference ability and reducing malfunction. Holtek also provides a digital sensor wizard that allows users to quickly understand the current state of the sensor through real-time data displayed, such as filter data and raw data. The demo demonstrates the real-time filtering changes and light actions when a heat source movement is detected. Sensor parameter settings such as sensitivity, lighting time, block time, and trigger mode can also be adjusted directly on the platform, assisting users in understanding the sensor characteristics and the purpose of the individual parameters. There are 4 models available. The 4021-1 and 4022-1 combined with ceiling type lenses are suitable for installation in indoor ceilings, such as conference rooms, pantries, public spaces, and parking lots, and can achieve effective energy savings when combined with lighting control. The 4023-1 and 4024-1 combined with wall-mounted lenses are suitable for wall-mounting applications, such as photographic surveillance systems, backyard anti-theft systems, and smart doorbells. Combined with different use scenarios and viewing angles, sensitivity, switching time, and other parameter settings, the application flexibility of the product is greatly improved.
Let's move to the final product line, CO and gas detector products. We have 3 new products in this series: 1 gas detector MCU, 1 gas module, and 1 CO detector module. Let's take about the gas detector MCU first. 6763 is the prolonged product to 6753. We widen current gas MCU product line. We increase ROM size to 16K word, 1K RAM, 1K WEP ROM, 2-channel UART. It integrated IAP and 12-bit ADC. Let's take a look at the feature. Calendar, you can record request event into WEP ROM. LCD LED driver to support information display. Rich interface. Our wide-range gas detector MCU product line are able to complete all kinds of gas detector application. Let's move to the next product, gas detection module. The air contact method CH4, which is generally not dangerous in very low concentration. However, methane is flammable. It can lead to an explosion in high concentration. The BN22S3031-1 is a catalytic combustion gas detector module, mainly used to detect methane. When the gas concentration exceeds the default setting, the status pin changes from low level to high level. Each module has been calibrated at the factory to maintain consistent characteristics. The calibration alarm threshold is about 4,500 ppm. Let's take a look at the comparison between previous and the new one. We changed gas sensor from semiconductor type to catalytic combustion type. Slightly smaller the size. Lower the operation current to less than 160 milliamp. Lower the operation voltage to 2.5 volt. The digital module, which includes an integrated MCU, so that the module can provide self-test function. Good linear output. Use the interface. It can directly output the real-time gas value. It's also integrated digital noise filter. The sensor's small size advantage over easy integration into existing product. For example, if you have a gas timer locker product, you can add gas detector function by simply add gas module. Let's move to the next product, CO detector module. The BN22S3221-1 is an electrochemical CO detector module, mainly used to detect carbon monoxide. The dimension is 24 by 20 by 20 mm. Each module has been calibrated at the factory to maintain consistent characteristic. The operation voltage 2.5 to 5 volt. Power consumption less than 10 microamp. The detection range is 3 to 1000 ppm. Default threshold is 180 ppm. Let's take a look at the feature, Integrated Digital Noise Filter. Less than 10 microamp low power consumption. UART status output. Sensor parameters such as preheating time and alarm value can be modified using the UART interface. Integrated temperature sensor. These four are important features for the module. Holtek CO detector digital module, which can offer widespread, flexible, and convenient use, and suitable for CO leakage alarm, smart home, and so on. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening. Let's finalize this session by a demo video.
Holtek has released multiple digital sensors and module for security applications, including a CO detection sensor, a smoke detection sensor, a gas detection sensor, and a PIR detection module. The BM22S3221-1 is electrochemical CO detection digital sensor with a good linearity, suitable for products with display function. It can convert the CO concentration and output the data. It includes a temperature compensation algorithm and is suitable for CO leakage alarms, smart home, etc. The BM22S2021-1 is a smoke detection digital sensor, which includes a dual-channel sync current generator and a smoke detection AFE. Smoke detection is achieved by detecting optical signal changes. It includes a temperature compensation algorithm and is suitable for smoke alarms, smart home, etc. The BM22S3031-1 is a catalytic combustion gas detection digital sensor, with a good linearity. It can convert the methane gas concentration and output the data. It is suitable for products with display functions such as gas leakage alarms, smart home, etc. The BM22S4221-1 is a PIR detection digital module, which includes optical lenses and a PIR sensor. It can detect changes in infrared radiation when the human body is moving. The digital filtering algorithm improves the anti-interference ability and reliability. It includes a temperature compensation algorithm and is suitable for security monitoring systems, intelligent lighting control, etc. These devices all use UART communication and provide digital and status outputs. The status port outputs a high level when alarmed. These devices are small in size, more flexible in applications, easy to operate, more competitive in price, and have a long service life, providing users with a richer choice of security products.